high-tech seamless tubes that can withstand the toughest conditions day in, day out. That's our world. Production begins in the raw material warehouse. There, the billets, weighing several tons, from our in-house steel mill in Donowitz, are cut to the desired billet lengths using carbide billet saws at room temperature. The blocks, weighing up to 950 kilograms, are then heated to a forming temperature of 1,300 degrees Celsius in a rotary hearth furnace. In the Discher cross-roll piercer, the still glowing solid billets are held against an inner tool and formed into hollow billets. Using mandrel bars and rolling stands arranged one behind the other, the hollow billets are rolled into mother tubes in the push bench. They're stretched to 17 times their original length, with a maximum length of 22 meters and a minimum wall thickness of 3 millimeters. In the stretch-reducing mill, the mother tubes are finally deformed to the desired diameter and wall thickness. To produce hollow sections with square and rectangular cross-sections, the tubes additionally pass through the hollow sections rolling mill. The tubes and sections are then cooled uniformly on the cooling bed. Throughout the entire process, measurement procedures ensure compliance with the tightest tolerances. After the hot rolling process, the heat treatment follows for the product areas oil and gas, renewables, and industrial pipes. Optionally, the ends of the semi-finished pipes are first inductively heated and widened to the required dimensions. In the austenitizing furnace, the pipes are heated to the hardening temperature and then quenched using water sprinklers, a key step in determining the material properties. The required steel grade is achieved through the subsequent annealing process. After that, the heat-treated pipes pass through one of the two roller straightening machines, undergo a straightness inspection, and are subjected to state-of-the-art non-destructive testing methods: flux leakage testing, ultrasonic testing, and magnetic particle testing. Depending on the application, the pipes go through different finishing procedures. A fully automated production line is available for manufacturing axle tubes for the automotive industry. The pipes are cut to fixed lengths, sandblasted, and corrosion-proofed before packaging. Optimized warehouse logistics ensure just-in-time delivery to our customers' production lines. The hollow sections are finished in the hollow section finishing line. There, the sections are straightened and inspected for essential material properties such as dimensional accuracy and surface quality. After being cut to the order length, they're bundled for shipment and upon request marked or stamped. For the product areas oil and gas and renewables, high-precision automatic threading machines are used in the threading shop to cut API, premium, or custom threads on the pipe ends, which are then subjected to quality control. Subsequently, fully automated machines make up the couplings onto the pipe ends. The finished connection is then subjected to a hydrostatic test and a drift control using a mandrel. To protect the threads from damage and corrosion during transport and storage, the pipe ends are equipped with protective caps. In the API control station, the pipes are measured, weighed, marked, and corrosion-proofed before being prepared for shipment at the bundling station. The couplings mentioned earlier are manufactured from our seamless pipes, which are cut to the specific length. This is followed by fully automated thread cutting, including a quality control and a magnetic particle testing to detect even the finest surface defects. In the phosphating unit, the couplings receive their functional surface coating and are finally marked according to customer specifications. Special thread finishing processes are carried out in our multi-purpose line. Using precision technology, the internal and external threads are blasted to optimally prepare the surface for electrochemical phosphating. In addition, thread coatings such as dry tech can also be applied using the multi-purpose line. This dope-free coating enables a cleaner makeup directly on site, without the time-consuming manual application of thread compound. Our pipes have to withstand extreme conditions. Ensuring the highest quality from raw material to finished product is therefore our top priority. Production data is measured in real time to identify and prevent potential sources of defects at an early stage. All quality-related tests are conducted in our own accredited testing centre. Our highly qualified employees in Kindberg test material properties according to standardized procedures and evaluate new product developments to ensure rapid availability for customers. Using state-of-the-art testing equipment, we determine the performance characteristics of our pipes. In our laboratories, we analyze materials, conduct sour gas tests, examine microstructures, and simulate extreme operating conditions on pipes and connections using our in-house test facilities. We ship our high-quality products from Kindberg to destinations around the world by train, truck, and ship. Together with our trusted partners, we guarantee on-time deliveries and flexible logistics solutions.
voestalpine, one step ahead.